I've noticed a few times that birds have started to chase after my two drones, specifically the Mavic Air and the Mavic 2 Pro. What sort of started this was I was flying at my uncle's in a very, very rural setting, and I was flying the Mavic Air. I was hovering at probably about 150 feet or so, and I was trying to get some video, just very slow movement, not really buzzing around, and I noticed a giant red-tailed hawk swooping in after my drone, so I immediately freaked out, switched it into sport mode, and just jetted straight up, as I figured birds can't really do that. The red-tailed hawk actually did a backflip. Everyone on the ground got to see the top of the red-tailed hawk, which was kind of unique. And of course, everyone's asking, did you get that? Did you get that? No, I didn't. I was trying to fly away from it. And this unfortunately sort of made me realize that it's not just wind and weather and trees, it's also wildlife that you have to be aware of. So it's happened so many times now that I've accidentally captured it on my Mavic 2 Pro and my Mavic Air, where either it appears to be either red-tailed hawks and turkey buzzards. With the Mavic 2 Pro, it's turkey buzzards almost all the time now. I've noticed they'll start circling it and then get closer and closer, and when I notice, wow, there's like 3 or 4 turkey buzzards just kind of hovering around my drone, I start to make my maneuvers and get away from it. But I just thought it was so weird because turkey buzzards typically go after dead things, not live things, so I'm not really sure what they're up to. Red-tailed hawks and other predatory birds I'm definitely more concerned about when it comes to the Mavic Air, as I have seen reports that the frequency of the props definitely attract them or get them frustrated, or just the size of it. I'm not really sure, as I'm not a birdologist. And please excuse the poor video footage. It's really jerky and it's all over the place, and that's because there's, birds I'm trying to capture and they're moving objects. So I just thought you might enjoy these few clips, and hopefully you did. And if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And of course, leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching.